The queue operations, as I said, there are two operations which are possible mostly in your queue. First is your removal, and removal can be done from the front only, or the addition can only be done on rear. So first you can first operation is to create a queue. So we can store elements in order, insertion of an element at rear, and deletion of element here from the front. So let us understand this with the help of an example. If you say you have an array or a list, then this is how it is right now. It is empty. So now when it is empty, even if it is an array or a list, then there is no element. So front will point to what? -1, and rear also -1, because if for front and rear points to 0, then we see that as array and list are described, 0 index means one element is there. Because there is no element, the front and rear should be pointing to -1, or should have value -1. Next thing is, let us add or append the value 5. So this will be added where? At the rear. So now the front, because front has nothing, so front will be also the first one, rear will also be the first one. So for front and rear will point to the same element. Now second is, let us add one more element, 15. So rear is going to point here. So rear is going to be added, or it will be incremented. Now you want to delete this 5, so it will be decremented from the, or relieved from the front. So 5 will be relieved or deleted. Now this 5, the F has to point to this 15. So now again the front and rear are the same, because there is only one element. Now you want to add 25. When you add 25 here, then you have to because adding can only be done at the rear. So rear has to be incremented. So rear has to be incremented. Then again you want to add 35. So 35 is added. So rear now points to 35, like this. Rear will be pointing here. And then you want to delete. So 15 will be deleted. F will point now to 25. And if you want to delete again, F is going to point again to 35. So this is how insertion and deletion is being done.